Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the SereneLife portable and foldable trampoline, a versatile in-home mini rebounder perfect for both indoor and outdoor workouts. Crafted from heavy-duty polypropylene, this trampoline ensures sustained bouncing, while its coil spring design provides high elasticity, making it a fantastic way to spice up your exercise routine. The trampoline includes a padded frame cover and an adjustable handlebar that can be raised up to 46 inches, allowing you to tailor the height to your needs and use the handlebar for a secure grip to control your bounce. Its easy folding mechanism and compact design make it ideal for small spaces, whether at home or in the gym, and its portability means you can move it effortlessly from one spot to another. Built with durable construction, it supports up to 220 pounds, making it an excellent tool for achieving your fitness goals and desired body figure. Assembly is a breeze with the detailed instruction manual that includes step-by-step pictures, ensuring you can set it up quickly and start your workout in no time. With dimensions of 40 by 40 by 46 inches, this trampoline is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, offering a safe and effective cardio workout for both kids and adults alike.